Your client says.
Great. Let's follow up soon.
You answer.
Sure. We'll take care of it.
The call ends, but nobody knows who owns the work or when it is due. Say this instead.
Before we wrap up, let me confirm the next steps. I'll send the revised proposal by Wednesday, and you'll share the final numbers by Tuesday. Does that work for you?
Today, you'll learn a simple 5-step closing that makes every next step clear. English Mastery Buddy. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to end a client call with clear decisions, owners, deadlines, and next steps. You will use a simple 5-step structure called close. Maya is leading a client call with Sarah. Maya's manager, Daniel, is also listening. They have discussed a revised proposal, updated sales figures, and a possible launch date. The conversation seems productive. Near the end of the call, Sarah says,
Great. Let's follow up soon.
Maya answers.
Sure. We'll take care of it.
Everyone says goodbye. After the call, Daniel looks at Maya. What exactly are we sending?
I think the revised proposal.
And when?
I'm not sure.
The call ended politely, but the plan was not clear. A vague ending creates hidden problems. Two people may complete the same task. An important task may have no owner. Soon may mean tomorrow to one person and next week to another. A professional ending does not repeat the whole meeting. It confirms only the decisions and facts that affect the next action. Use the 5-step close structure. Confirm the decision. List the actions. Own each action. Set the dates. End with alignment. The first letters form the word close. Step 1. Confirm the decision. Before discussing tasks, state what the group has agreed. Say,
So, we've agreed to use the revised launch plan.
or,
To confirm, we'll move forward with option 2.
this prevents the team from taking action based on different interpretations. Avoid saying,
I think we agreed on option 2.
I think sounds uncertain. If you are not sure, ask.
Have we agreed to move forward with option 2?
Repeat.
So, we've agreed to use the revised launch plan.
Step 2. List the next actions. Keep the list short. Include only the actions that must happen after the call. Say,
The next steps are to revise the proposal, confirm the sales figures, and schedule the final review.
notice the phrase.
The next steps are.
This clearly signals that the discussion is moving into action. Avoid vague phrases such as,
We'll work on everything.
or,
We'll handle the remaining items.
name the actual work. Repeat.
The next steps are to revise the proposal and confirm the sales figures.
Step 3. Give every action an owner. A task without an owner is only an idea. Use clear subject and action sentences.
I'll revise the proposal. Sarah, you'll share the final sales figures.
Daniel will review the pricing section. Avoid using only.
We'll take care of it.
The word we may hide responsibility. If several people are involved, identify the main owner.
I'll own the proposal update, and Daniel will review it before it goes out.
Repeat.
I'll revise the proposal, and Daniel will review it.
Step 4. Set a clear date or time. Words such as soon, later, and as soon as possible can mean different things to different people. Use a real deadline. Say,
I'll send the revised proposal by Wednesday at 3.
or,
Could you share the final numbers by Tuesday morning?
for a review meeting, say,
We'll meet again on Friday at 10.
if the deadline is not confirmed, do not invent one. Ask,
When would you need the revised version?
repeat.
I'll send the revised proposal by Wednesday.
Step 5. Check that everyone agrees. Say,
Does that work for you?
or,
Did I miss anything?
you can also ask,
Is everyone comfortable with that plan?
this final question gives the client a chance to correct a misunderstanding before the call ends. It does not make you sound uncertain. It shows that you care about shared understanding. If the client changes one detail, repeat the updated plan once more. Repeat.
Does that work for you?
Now listen to Maya in the same client call professionally.
Before we wrap up, let me confirm the next steps. We've agreed to move forward with the revised launch plan. I'll update the proposal and send it by Wednesday at 3. Sarah, you'll share the final sales figures by Tuesday morning. Daniel will review the pricing section. Then we'll meet again on Friday at 10 for the final review. Does that work for everyone? Yes, that works for me.
Perfect. I'll review the pricing section on Wednesday afternoon. Now the call can end. Everyone knows what will happen next. Sometimes a client call ends before every question has been answered. Do not pretend that the open question is already decided. Say,
We still need to confirm the final budget.
then give the open item an owner and a date.
Sarah will check the budget with her finance team and update us by Thursday.
You can also say,
The launch date is still open. We'll confirm it after receiving the final data.
an open question is not a problem when everyone knows who will resolve it and when. After an important client call, send a short written summary. It does not need to repeat every conversation. Include the decision, the next actions, the owners, and the deadlines. For example,
Thanks for today's call. As agreed, I'll send the revised proposal by Wednesday. Sarah will share the final figures by Tuesday, and Daniel will review the pricing section. We'll meet again on Friday at 10.
this message creates a shared record and prevents later confusion. Let's practice. You have finished a client call about a website redesign. The client chose Design B. You will update the homepage by Thursday. The client will send the final product images by Wednesday. End the call professionally. Your turn. A strong answer is,
Before we wrap up, let me confirm the next steps. We've agreed to move forward with Design V. I'll update the homepage by Thursday, and you'll send the final product images by Wednesday. Does that work for you?
here is another situation. You have completed a client onboarding call. Your team will create the new account. The client will send the user list tomorrow. The first training session will be next Monday at 2. How would you close the call? Your turn. You could say,
Let me confirm the next steps. We'll create the new account. You'll send the user list tomorrow. And we'll hold the first training session next Monday at 2. Did I miss anything?
Avoid these 3 mistakes. Mistake 1. Using vague pronouns.
We'll take care of it.
Name the actual action. Mistake 2. Giving tasks without owners.
The proposal needs to be updated.
Say who will update it. Mistake 3. Using unclear deadlines.
We'll send it soon.
Use a real date or ask for one. Clear next steps should answer 3 questions. What? Who? When? Final challenge. You are ending a client call about a new marketing campaign. The client has approved concept A. You will send the revised campaign plan by Thursday. The client will send the final logo files by Wednesday. Daniel will review the budget. The next meeting will be on Friday at 11. End the call professionally. Include the decision, actions, owners, dates, and one final alignment question. Your turn. Speak now. Here is one professional answer.
Before we wrap up, let me confirm the next steps. We've agreed to move forward with Concept A. I'll send the revised campaign plan by Thursday. You'll share the final logo files by Wednesday, and Daniel will review the budget. Then we'll meet again on Friday at 11. Does that work for everyone?
If your answer made the decision, owners, actions, and dates clear, you completed the task. Remember the close structure. Confirm the decision. List the actions. Own each action. Set the dates. End with alignment. Which part do people forget most often on your client calls? The owner, the deadline, or the next meeting? Write your answer below.